is it with you and potholes, bro?
I don't know how many more.
Did you get a chance for the people who did not heed the warnings?
Look out below!
Vacate entry port. Program.
Times two.
What is it with you and potholes, bro?
Warnings. In place for folks in Atlantic City. Did you get a chance, City?
2 minutes to use it before Dillinger catches the brakes.
Ain't that cute?
Lynn,
After you.
who will be sheltering in place. How nervous are they? Folks in Atlantic City, did you get a chance?
Look out below!
I'm not.
If you think you're
What is it with you and potholes, bro?
Allie,
What is it with you and potholes, bro?